Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be having a look at helpdesk tickets within DataTill. When a ticket is created, an email is sent to all admin users associated with the corresponding department. An admin then goes to the helpdesk ticket list to review the ticket and decide whether it should be assigned to them or another appropriate colleague. Tickets can be generated in a variety of ways, so for example via email, manually by staff members, or from the customer portal. You can find all your tickets by navigating to the workflow and then helpdesk. All of the ticket functionality can be found here, so here you can view the tickets, filter and delete them. When you click on the View Ticket button, the following screen appears. Here you can reply to the customer, edit the ticket details, add reminders and add admin notes. You can also add attachments to tickets. To do so, click here as indicated on the screen. For any further details, please refer to the helpdesk manual found in the link below. To close a ticket, click on the Close button as indicated here. Then the following page will appear. Here you can say what caused the problem, how it was resolved, and then provide a description. You can also state how much time was spent on resolving the ticket. So this concludes today's video on helpdesk tickets. For any further information, please refer to the guide found in the link below. If you found the video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching. Until next time.